the type to park the lamb and double back in the rolls.
Nice car, Larry.
So guys, we got a video today with this monster of a fucking car going against an F-150 truck, what I'm about to show you right now. But before we get to this car looks like it's just, you know, nothing done, stock, you know, the good old, you know, the grocery getter. But no, gutted, carbon fiber. This motherfucker's ready to go. He is not playing. Carbon fiber hood. Ooh. Who you think gonna take the race? This motherfucker or the F-150 I'm about to show you right now? So we do have this F-150 here. It is whippled. He says he's on a, you said what pulley that you're on?
3.5.
3.5. So I think he's on an E-Mix also, which is E40 or E30?
E30.
Ooh. Colored match to the whip. Ooh. You got money.
He says he's broke and then blows out my eardrum at a red light.
Man, this shit's so goddamn loud, boy. I can't hear it on the side of this shit. Yeah. Big whipple. The Mexican GTR, what they call it. But this is gonna be an interesting race. If you do want to follow that boy, he is 5-0 Eric. He do got some nice runs on his Instagram. He got some nice videos.
130? 130, 140? So yeah, the only thing that it has a 3.5 pulley, but stage 2 comes with a 3.8. So it's just one size down. You could go even lower to a 3.5, but I don't think my E30 tune will keep up with it. People do it, but I'm not trying to blow my shit up just yet.
Want a fast guy lying?
We'll see. We'll see how it takes off. No lower or what?
Huh? Nah, no lower. Just up.
Should be a good one.
I don't even have headers.
Should be a good one. Your rear wheel drive, no? Or all wheel drive?
All wheel drive.
Oh yeah, it should be.
And the 60 to 140 or 10K pot, you already know.
Maybe borrow the homie's beer already. You gonna pop your hood on yours? Let's see it.
You know, that good old double pull for the BMs. Sheesh.
Yeah.
You don't know what he's looking
I
at.
don't even know. I see something chrome.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, he's quick. Yeah.
No, you.
For me? Nah, hell nah. You raced me before I was even tuned.
Yeah, I know. It was a good race.
Yeah, that was a good race. Before I was tuned though. That's just
Oh, shut up.
Where's my beaver guy at?
That's why I took my shit to
This motherfucker here, sheesh.
God damn.
Woo. That's a nice ass car. I did not mention that we currently at a road night. So we're gonna catch this race and we're also gonna see all these other races. You going? Dang, right before the race? That shit sound crazy. It's getting active. was a crazy night. Like, we only made it to like one spot, and police just came in and just said, nah, everybody go, and we gonna follow y'all. So that's gonna end tonight's video. Like,
pull up back to back, man, black track. I just bipped the back to back.